Just last night I woke from some unconscionable dream. Had it nailed to my forehead again. To keep this boat afloat with everything you can't afford to know. So I save all my breath for the sands. To find those lingering voices, and just to eagle's attempt to make it all clean and nice, and make a moron out of you. Walking a bridge on weakening cables, huddled up in fear and hate, because you know our fate and it's a lot to put us through. Most ideas turn to dust, they're a few in which we all can trust. Haven't you noticed I've been shedding all of mine? So let's abandon that track and leave our fathers fighting in a sack, cause we way too wise, as for that. You might find some fools at your doorstep, hustling the latest changes to the book of the stage in an attempt to multiply marionettes on weakening cables, huddled up with fear and hate, because they know their fate and it's a lot to put them through. You're taking on a climb, and it's long enough to put the best of us on our backs. Walking up a slide, and there were those we know who'd have us 5 miles off the track.